In the world's largest democracy lives its largest child population. Yet, nearly half this population is malnourished, slowing down growth and clouding the ability to learn. Now, a massive food program is bridging the gap between hunger and education.
We want to make the children to stay back in the school and make sure that their health levels are continuously increasing.
With enormous innovation, smart scaling up, and cutting-edge culinary technology. Take a bite out of the largest school lunch program in the world. Inside the mega kitchens of Akshaya Patra.